Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install your Microsoft 365 apps. If you're an enterprise administrator and want to install Office in your organization, check out my other video linked below. Now let's get started. First, open office.com in your browser and sign in with your licensed user account. On the home page, you will have a pull-down called Install Apps. Select Microsoft 365 Apps and the installer will download. If you want to change the language or architecture to 32-bit, you will need to select other install options. Choose View Apps and Devices. Here you can edit your Office installation. Now open the file and the installation will start. You can also go to your Downloads folder and double-click the Office Setup file. This installation may take a while, but in the end you will see your new applications added. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye.